This 3-hole bathroom faucet with LED light is designed to bring modern style, comfort, and smart functionality to your bathroom vanity. With its 8-inch widespread design and dual handles, it offers both visual balance and precise control. The built-in LED temperature display lets you see the water temperature instantly while the water is running. The LED light is powered entirely by water flow, so there are no batteries or electrical wiring needed. The color-changing light adds both safety and style, glowing blue for cool water, green for warm and comfortable temperatures, and red when the water is hot. The precision 2-handle design allows smooth and accurate control of both water temperature and flow. Each handle rotates effortlessly, making it easy to find the perfect balance. Inside, a premium ceramic cartridge ensures long-lasting, leak-free performance and has been tested for more than 500,000 cycles. The wide waterfall spout delivers a soft, smooth stream that turns everyday hand washing into a calming, spa-like experience. The gentle flow, combined with the glowing LED light and flowing water pattern, creates a relaxing and modern atmosphere at your sink. Built for durability, this Waterfall bathroom faucet features a solid brass core and heavy-duty acrylic components. The brushed nickel finish is scratch-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and designed to maintain its elegant look for years of daily use. This widespread vanity faucet includes supply hoses for easier installation and long-term reliability. It's a perfect fit for modern bathrooms, master vanities, and stylish guest bathrooms. Backed by a worry-free 5-year warranty covering the LED light, finish, materials, and workmanship, this faucet delivers confidence, quality, and long-term value for your home.